Hi, welcome to Preheat Nutrition. Today we're making a gluten-free vegan lasagna that's high in protein and fiber. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. You could find measurements in the description below, and we'll go through each of these as we add them in the recipe. I like to use the Victoria sauce since it's lower in sodium and it doesn't have any added sugar. You're probably going to need about 2 jars or 48 ounces. I alternate between these two pastas because they don't always have them in stock where I shop. The Explore Cuisine green lentil lasagna has a nice amount of fiber and protein, but neither of these need to be pre-cooked. I like using the House Foods brand tofu. You can use the firm or soft variety. It's optional to add in the soy meat crumbles. You can also use chopped tempeh, just make sure that it's gluten-free. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Next, we're going to make the ricotta. So you're going to cut open your tofu and drain out some of the liquid. I usually like to cut it into quarters or eighths to make it easier to blend. Add your tofu to the blender. Then we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then some salt and pepper. Add in about a handful or 2 of spinach. You really can't taste the spinach, it does add a little bit of green. And about a 1/4 cup of low sodium vegetable broth. If you find that your tofu is too thick, you can add in a few extra tablespoons of broth or almond milk. And then you're going to blend until smooth and just set aside. Now we're going to assemble the lasagna. Start with your marinara sauce in the bottom to keep your noodles from drying out and sticking to your pan. Then layer about 4 to 5 noodles, and I do like to break them apart to fill in the sides. Then spread on your tofu ricotta. Then add some soy crumbles, nutritional yeast, and a little bit of vegan parm. Then we're going to repeat that. So add some sauce, add about 4 to 5 noodles, spread your tofu ricotta, and add some soy crumbles, a little bit of nutritional yeast, some vegan parm, and then we're going to end with some sauce, a little bit of noodles, and then some sauce, and some vegan parm and nutritional yeast. If you plan on freezing this, just add a little extra sauce in the layers and on the top so it doesn't dry out. Now that we're done layering our ingredients, cover tightly with foil. Place your tray in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your oven. You'll know your lasagna is done when the noodles start to curl and the edges start to brown. And that's it, your lasagna is done. So you can cool and serve and just eat it as is, or you could pair it with a side salad or another veggie. Either way, it's a complete meal, so hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you found the video to be useful, give it a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share the video if you know a friend who's looking to make vegan gluten-free lasagna.